Hey guys, Sugar Powder here. Today I'm going to learn you how to make account without email. So you can make so many alts and you can annoy owners of the server and lots of stuff.
Ciaoś. Etta.
I'm back. I have a dog, so his name is Poopy, but it's like a puppy, so my sister named it Poopy. You will understand it. Puppy to Poopy. You add P on puppy, and you call Poopy. Yeah, big brain. Okay, now let's get back into this. You open Discord in your browser and you enter username. So let's call it shit. Yeah. Yeah. It's on my language. Great. Can I change it so that you will understand? And I change the language. I hate even Croatia because I don't know Croatian. It's like so different. I used to change language. Go to Discord app.com, open Discord in your browser, enter username, I don't know, and you log in. And you press I'm not a robot, and this stupid, maybe it will show you this repacha, but not for sure, and you press keep, and when this show you, just press around it, and that's it. So if you want to join it, press join server, and my server is this. Holy crap. There is, oh my god, there that is. Okay, finally I have a link, so you go to that link and you will join, I don't know, and you can even with microphone. Yeah, and you need to allow it. Why is not allowed? Yeah. Oh, it's live stream. Okay, you see, oh my god, you need to some, like every time you need to like do this or that is going to do this, but it's working. You can even chat. Let's go on another server. I don't know, we have another server. Okay, let's go, let's join Scappy server. I don't know if I have a link. Oh my god, copy, let's go the server, join server. Okay, so that's it. Probably, I don't know. Alright. Okay, let's join it. So it will, let's see what they are talking about. Hi! Great! It was very entertaining. And that's it. Upload if you want. I will upload video about Mystery Man, a test account 123 and 124. Yeah. So bye.